G'day everyone. We've come out to have a look at this old Allis Chalmers HD5. The owner was having trouble with the starter motor. He sent it away to get fixed, but they couldn't repair it and he couldn't find another one, so it's just sat here ever since, which he thinks was about between 15 and 20 years ago. So it has been sitting here a while. Today we're going to try and get it running for him. Even though it doesn't have a starter motor, we should be able to lift that blade up, and he's got a tractor we can pull it with, so we should be able to pull start it if there's no other major issues going on with it. Because it's been sitting here so long, we're going to have to go over the whole machine and change the oils and everything, and we'll try and give it a tow and bring it back to life. First of all, we have to get rid of that tree growing in the cab, and then we can have a good look at what we're dealing with.
Actually might take a bit to get it rolling.
Yeah,
so they'll be pretty seized.
They will be too, yeah. I don't think the old Navara will do it.
In saying that, we got downhill.
That's true, yeah. Yeah.
We might be able to jack that blade up.
We should be able to if we just get it under the centre there.
Yeah.
Maybe sand these rods so they don't stuff the seals.
I don't even think it's coming from the ground.
No.
Kind of like unwrapping a Christmas present.
So they're an old two-cylinder two-stroke, are they?
Yeah. It's only actually a small motor, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It'll make plenty of noise. Looks like they've been there a while too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got,
Yeah. So the starter motor goes in there then.
Yep.
Well, we could always turn it from there if we need to, eh?
Get a bar on it?
Yeah, because I don't think we're going to be able to turn it from front there. Yeah, I reckon that might be the go, eh? Just see if we can get that moving.
Yeah.
Water in there. Well, that's pretty dry. Nothing in there.
Actually, doesn't look in too bad a nick in there, eh?
No.
Looks quite clean.
It does, yeah. And a wet leak from there. Might have just had a slow leak.
Yeah, well, it's not going to take that.
No, it's not too bad, is it? Alright, that was 4 litres.
That's good.
And that looks like a big radiator, right? That's probably at least 10.
Yeah.
Can't see any leaks yet. No oil, okay.
It's got a tad.
Yeah, alright.
We might have to put a few litres in.
Yep, that's cool, I bought some.
Sweet. And it's got the wheel bath air cleaner, I see.
Yep.
You can make sure that's got no water in it.
Yeah, true. Okay.
We're looking for the wasps.
Oh. If you get stung, I better film it.
You'll see me running. You don't squash them. Yeah, no, they're dead.
Nice. Cool. I wonder if there's any more.
There will be. Is it just clamped at the base of the...
Yeah, it might be. Might be a turning.
Yeah, but it's actually got a hose that goes through that.
Oh, hang on, you just pull it aside. Alright. Yep. Ooh. Well, no water in it, but no oil either. Looks like tar, isn't it?
It's like tar, right? Solid.
Yeah.
Ain't going to be catching much dust.
So it's got a line there, or the top of centre, so it's got to be up there, right?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep.
Nice. Alright. That's the clutch there. Is that seized as well?
No, no, we've got action there.
Cool. Alright. That one works.
Yeah, we're looking good.
Oh well. Might not be too bad then.
Accelerator might be the issue.
Yeah.
So I dare say there's a plunger.
Yep.
Hopefully it's not seized up inside there, eh?
Yeah.
I don't know if I quite want to sit in there yet. The wasps are appearing from somewhere.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Yep, it's moving. Alright.
That's what I might do, is I might grab the jack and
Yep.
see if I can start getting some action going on with this blade.
Yeah, good plan. Very much doubt it, but you never know. Abandoned Bulldozer crushes Navara.
Yeah. Might be time for an upgrade if that happens.
Yeah.
Upgrade to the Hilux.
Yeah. The GoFundMe. Did that make it easier?
Yeah, I've just seen movement in them.
Right, okay.
So it definitely
Yeah.
took a little bit of pressure away.
Nice. Means the valves must be alright.
I guess the higher we get it, the better, eh?
Yeah, true.
There's more wasps under there, look.
Is there?
Yeah, there's heaps.
Oh hell. Yeah. Didn't bring the fly spray, did you?
No. There is absolutely. Did you see this side?
I did, yeah. Once the weather warms up, they'll probably start coming out.
I was putting my hand right into one of those. Yeah, even if yep.
That's solid out. There's a fair bit of oil down there. I wonder if she's been leaking away from the engine.
Yeah, that's where the engine
Yeah.
would have all gone.
Yep, that's turning.
That's a good sign.
Yeah. Seems quite free. I don't know if I'll get a revolution out of it, they'll be here all day. Pull the clutch forward, this way. Yeah.
I see it click in there, so it sounded like something activated.
Yeah, and it got easier then as well, so that clutch might be alright.
That brake actually does have a little bit of something on it.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep. Well, you can sort of steer with one side anyway.
Yep.
Just reverse. Oh well, I guess we check the diesel tank, see what's in there. Is there a dipstick? Is it?
It has diesel.
Yeah. Diesel? Yeah.
It's got quite a bit.
It does actually. Yeah.
That's good.
Diesel lasts a while, doesn't it?
Yep.
Especially when it's in a dark place. It should gravity feed through there, I think, if we can crack a line.
So if he's been catching a few something. Yeah. There's blood on the back there.
Yeah, it's coming through. Dripping slowly.
That's a good sign.
Yeah. Aha.
Engine start.
Yep. Any in it?
Alright.
Nice.
That might come in handy. Whack some of that in the guts of it. I'm just going to put those bolts you gave us in here. Fuel and temp. We got a serial number there too.
Someone will know all about them. We got oil. Yep, that's half full. Nice. See how clean it is. Golden.
Tidy.
That'll be right, eh?
Sure will. Yeah.
Not a lot of oil in there. Looks like about 2 litres.
Is that it?
She must have a bit of a leak somewhere, I think.
Yeah.
That's all that was in it.
Nothing coming straight out the bottom, is there?
No.
Be the first oil she's seen for a while.
Yeah, I'd say.
Yep, that's right in the middle.
Sweet. Perfect. I can hear a tractor as well.
Yeah, good timing.
Waking the ants up.
Yeah. Nice. Full on it. Alright, stick something in there.
There's definitely oil in it though.
That's it.
It was no fun trying to get in them. I'd say. Some great cow just lines us up, eh?
It's fairly clean.
To bed.
Do the job anyway.
Yeah.
Yep.
See us right?
I don't think we'll get that off
No.
with the tools we've got here.
Yeah.
Nothing in that toolbox?
Could be.
Use a
Does that help?
Nah. It's big. It's an inch square we need.
Don't swear.
Yeah. Get those bungs out.
Plenty of stuff in here. That one.
No, it's not human.
Oh, it's taking grease nice.
Yeah. There's one on the water pump as well.
Couple of squirts?
Yep. Yeah, just 2 will do it. Don't want to blow the seal.
3.
Yep. drive shaft. There might be one or two on that too.
A bit of grease in there would be nice.
Yeah, it would be. Looks like you have to take it apart though.
That's the sound we like. Yeah. But yeah, just grab a can of WD-40 and come around and spray all of the moving parts.
Yep, good to go.
You guys want to play? You want to play on it?
Well, I don't know.
Going alright. Yeah. I'll just get that drying and the battery's getting flat. How easy was that? Holy shit.
That was easy. Unbelievable.
Yeah. So if you want to turn left, you pull this back and put that brake down. If you want to turn right, pull that one back, that brake down. And if you want to stop, push that forward. This is forward, yeah. Right? All sorted. Yep, lift the blade up. Pull it out, I think. Yep, that's the one. Goes bloody well, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Good fun, isn't it?
Fuck you. Well, this is the big
Yeah, yeah.
a bit of time on one before you start going in the tricky spots.
You picked it up pretty quick though, eh?
Real quick.
Yeah.
You'll be an expert in no time.
Yeah.
You got plenty of area to play on.
Hell yes.
So, motocross track down there.
Yeah, I reckon.
You gotta put a few jumps in.
Yeah, that's what David said to me before.
That's
Just
that.
stick a few bloody jumps in.
Yeah. Nice. That kicked into life real good.
Oh,
didn't it?
so easy, huh?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
And how long, it didn't take very long to clear. Look, the wasps
No.
are coming alive
They
now.
are. Yeah, they're
There's a
waking
bit
up.
of heat in there.
Yeah. So the clutch is a little bit sticky. I had to kind of roll it forward to get it in gear, but
Oh,
it
yeah.
seems to have freed up a bit now.
But it used to be good.
That's right,
It
yeah.
used to be real good for it.
So I checked the final drives, new oil in there, start a motor in, and should be away.
Yeah, you don't replace the hydraulic hoses till they're ready to replace. But
Yeah.
in saying that,
That one is
that
quite
one
far
you
gone.
could probably definitely do with a replacement. If you've got the hydro man out here for the digger
Yeah,
or
yeah.
something,
Oh yeah, yep.
get him to do that hose.
Yeah.
I mean, you're going to use it, aren't you?
Yeah,
You're
yeah,
gonna use
yeah. But it's gonna.
Yeah.
I know one of the tracks do come off.
Well, that held up pretty well. He was doing some turns there.
Yeah.
So all we have to do there is tighten this nut up. That there. See how it's on a threaded rod?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Turn that on, but you have to get a wire brush in there and clean that up.